Season 6 winner of the Big Brother Naija show, Hazel Oyeze Onu, popularly called Whitemoney, has begun to receive backlashes from various ex-BBNaija female housemates over his recent statements concerning the ex-housemates. Whitemoney, who was on the Honest Bunch podcast owned by controversial OAP, Nedu Wazobia, said that most ex-female housemates from the Big Brother house usually call him to link them up with his rich friends. However, this didn't look well with various female ex-housemates, and they have all been coming out to slam him for calling them Olosho. Housemates like Doyin, Princess, and some other female celebrities have also come out to scold the ex-BBN winner for his comments, such as Victoria Inyama and Fenita Akpofure. According to Princess, Whitemoney talks without reasoning. She mentioned a few housemates who work tirelessly for what they have today. Citing an example, Princess mentioned actress Bisola and Tacha as hardworking women and products of BBNaija. She described Whitemoney as a full-grown man who opens his mouth and spits nonsense. On the other hand, Doyin called her colleague a bleached man and added that the help he rendered was him reaching out to her that his manager would like to manage her. Reacting, Victoria Inyama said he is projecting his disgust for his mother by generalizing all women as his mother. Also, Fenita Akpofure said, back-to-back misyelling on women. Okay, pina colada.